Keto Sausage Breakfast Casserole. Be sure to select sausage that is all natural with no added sugar or fillers. Jimmy Dean brand makes a certified gluten-free, no sugar added sausage with none of those chemical additives most of us like to avoid. This type of sausage does not have a lot of excess fat, liquid to drain away, so you can brown the sausage and cook the veggies in the same pan. That makes cleanup much easier. Feel free to change up the type of cheese you use from time to time. In place of cheddar you can substitute Monterey Jack, Swiss, or even smoked Gouda, whatever you decide. In under an hour you can have a bubbling dish on the table that will keep you satisfied for hours. Ingredients: 1 pound beef sausage, 2.2 cups zucchini, diced 3. 2 cups green cabbage, shredded 4. 1/2 cup onion, diced 5. 3 large eggs 6. 1/2 cup mayonnaise 7. 2 teaspoons yellow mustard, prepared 8. 1 teaspoon ground sage, dried 9. 1 and 1/2 cups cheddar cheese, shredded and divided 10. Cayenne pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F and grease a casserole dish. Set aside. 2. Brown sausage in a large skillet over medium heat until almost cooked through. 3. Add cabbage, zucchini and onion, cooking until vegetables are tender and sausage is fully cooked. 4. Remove from heat and spoon into prepared casserole dish, then set aside. 5. In a mixing bowl, whisk eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, sage, and pepper until smooth. 6. Add 1 cup of the grated cheese to the egg mixture and stir. 7. Pour this mixture over the sausage and vegetables in the casserole dish. 8. Top casserole with the remaining 1/2 cup cheese. 9. Place casserole in preheated oven and bake 30 minutes, or until bubbling around the edges and the cheese is melted and lightly browned on top. 10. Remove from the oven and serve immediately. This makes a total of 6 servings Keto Sausage Breakfast Casserole. Each serving comes out to be 468.33 calories, 39.76 grams fats, 3.86 grams net carbs, and 22.08 grams protein.